And now I've said your name to the world. Yuck. Don't come this way, mate. It's actually snowing. Oh my god. Why did I go so close to the edge? I mean, the road is open. What is happening, guys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Trans-Euro Trail video in Italy. Today I am doing a section of Trans-Euro Trail that I actually skipped on my way over because I was running out of daylight and I needed to get somewhere. And on the recommendation of someone on Facebook who rides the same bike as me, Dominic, you know who you are. And now I've said your name to the world. Anyway, on the recommendation of him and a couple of photos that he sent me, I thought this is definitely one that I don't want to miss. So I will mark it on the map. It is this section just here that I skipped last time and that I am currently going to do this time. Anyway, I've just come up from the lakeside, down that way, down to the right, and we are climbing. Current temperature is 6 degrees, so I do need to be a bit skeptical of road surfaces because there definitely could be some ice here and there. So I am constantly scanning. And actually there's quite a bit of gravel up on this road surface as well. So you do just need to be careful, be aware. It is getting very late in the season, guys, and what I would say is, while it is great that there is a lot less traffic, it can be hit and miss. Like, you know, right now this pass actually has a boom gate down the bottom, and so, you know, depending on the winter they could close it. So you could actually find yourself with a lot of blocked roads around this time, which I've found a couple. I've been pretty lucky this season in that it's been quite a long riding season, I think. I mean, I'm not a local, I don't know for sure, but yeah, I feel like I've been quite lucky this season. Make sure if you're enjoying this series, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, leave your comments. I love replying to all you guys. I like your questions. I enjoy having, I wouldn't say arguments, but I've had a couple of comments where they disagree with my opinion, and that's fine. Everyone can have their own opinions, of course. But it's good to actually express them in a good manner. Like, you don't have to say you're an idiot, your opinion's dumb. That's not the case. You just express your own opinion because it helps people see the opposite side of the coin. Like, social media these days will just show you one-sided things based on your recent history. And it's not good. It's not healthy to have only one view on an opinion. You know, if we all had the same opinion, we'd be sheeple, wouldn't we? Just a bunch of sheeple. And that's not good for anyone. Anyway, leave your opinions in the comments if you have any. So I'm not sure if you guys can fully see that. I'll try and zoom the camera. There's rain over there, but I think probably up top that's snow. So luckily it seems to be moving away from me, going this direction. Yuck. Don't come this way, mate. Don't come this way. 4 degrees now. We are definitely in ice territory. We are definitely in possible ice territory. I actually don't know what this pass name is. Beaumont. Refugio Rosa Beaumont. Beaumont, not Beaumont. It is 3 degrees, guys. 3 degrees. Tre. It's cold. We're 1,500 meters up, it said. Look, ice or snow or something. There you go. So must be very careful. Have a look at ya. So when it's like this, I try and keep the bike upright as much as possible. No leaning, because that's where you'll get in trouble. Oh my god, I can't feel that it's slippery at the moment. It's all sleet, so it's not quite icy, but I'm still not going to tempt fate and lean into corners and whatnot. I mean, this is an absolutely spectacular road. It's 1 degree now. So I think actually all that sleet that we saw, or that snow, has actually just come through here, because I think, oh, hello, ciao, this cloud has just passed. So I think actually all that sleet has just come through. How crazy is this though? Wow. Have a look at it. Anyway, carry on, shall we? Got a little tunnel. Tunnels are always fun. Oh, look at the road. It goes all along here. This is pretty wicked. It's unfortunate I can't really go too fast, but it's still very nice. I mean, probably I wouldn't be going so fast on this road anyway. Like, it's half gravel, half bitumen, tight, no railings, no guardrails to keep us safe at night. Wild. What a wild road. Oh, here we go. We got some dirt. Better change modes. Can't be caught in the wrong mode. Okay, let's have some fun. I feel a bit better actually on this dirt than I do on the road when it's so cold. Oh yeah. Because I think I have a bit more grip on the dirt. I mean, I've got off-road tyres on as well, so I think it's less likely that there's going to be like this full-on slick, smooth ice section. Nice, man. This is so cool. I mean, I'm sure it'd be a spectacular view if that cloud wasn't there. Hey, hey, hey. It's funny, this trail I would normally ride quite a lot quicker, but being right on this cliff edge just makes you think twice, hey? And actually, if this cliff edge was full of trees, again, I might ride a little bit quicker because I feel a bit safer. Whereas right now, it just feels like there's nothing to catch ya. Might be the end of the dirt section, I don't know. Oh, it's snowing. Oh God. Do you guys see that on camera? It's actually snowing. Bloody hell. Wow. I mean, it's still pretty cool. What an experience. Hey? What an experience. I'm glad it's snow and not rain, to be honest. Or this sleety stuff. The sleet, no, it's like the little ball snow. Maybe there's some flakes in there now. This is pretty cool. But yeah, I am glad it's not rain. This stuff just kind of bounces off me, whereas rain would bloody soak in and make me freezing. It is 1 degree, for your information. Wow, it's actual snow now. I am riding into snow. This is a first. That's crazy. Oh, what an experience though. Now guys, it's very easy to say, oh, that's so dangerous, why are you doing that? Look, I didn't know it was going to be snowing up here. I didn't actually know it was going to be this cold. But there's no need to get your knickers in a twist in a situation like this. Like, just ride to the conditions. I'm not in a rush to get anywhere. Tasty snow. So I can just ride to the conditions. Take it nice and slow. Oh my God. How cool is this? Oh my God. Oh, that might have been the top of the pass, eh? Snowy goodness. They're probably thinking, what a nut job. It is -1. Oh my. I need to get some photos of this, hey. Some thumbnail material. Oh, this is insane. What am I doing? Time to get back on the bike and continue moving. How far along am I? Okay, I'm coming down to a pass. That's the section I wanted to complete. So I'll get down to this road and I'll probably be done with today, because it is getting dangerous. Oh my God. So if this was a dirt road right now, I'd feel much better, I think. But because it's this bitumen, or at least I think it's bitumen right now. Oh, is it? Yeah, I think it still is. It feels a little bit dodgy to be going fast on. Although this feels like it's kind of split on and off. The snowflakes are getting smaller though, so that's good. What kind of crazy person would do this, hey? Some nut job. Absolute nut job. Oh, that was a big drop. Don't look down there. Don't look down the big drop. Look at that. The snow's running out, turning into rain probably. Fantastic. Still -1. Tasty snow. Whoa! Oh my god! Why did I go so close to the edge? That was so steep. Oh, these heated grips are so nice. Keeping my hands warm. The heated seat is very nice also, keeping my butt warm. Oh, there's some big stones. Wouldn't like to be here when they came down. Yeah, in situations like this, guys, just ride slow. No one's gonna judge ya. Honestly, there's no point in me flying along here because I'm scared of someone's judgment. Eat it. So we're back on a slightly main road, but this is still the TET. I think I'm going to keep going along the TET. We'll see. It's still -1. Lovely. Just taking it very easy on these roads. Whoa, look at it. I don't know, is it the right decision to keep going or should I have turned back? Wild. Ah, I think the pass is closed anyway, so I have to turn back. We'll have a look, see if the pass is actually closed. That says road closed in 150 meters. I mean, the road is open, closed. Wild. Okay, that's time for me to turn around. Oh yeah, my tyre just slipped then. Okay. I don't know what the best way for me to go back is. Should I just go back along the way I came? Oh, my hands are cooking now. My ass is feeling toasty warm though. What an experience, man. That's where I just came from. I'm gonna head down and we'll see if it gets any better for me. Let's get this bike back in one piece, and me back in one piece also. Again, guys, you could stress yourselves out coming up here at this time and then being worried about the ice and whatnot. Just ride slow. Don't stress. Stress leads to more stress. Keep calm and carry on. At least now I know I can ride in -1 and snow. Although, to be honest, if it was like crazy heavy snow and it built up really quick, that might be a different story. So I am probably lucky. It's very pretty though, very pretty. I don't know where the best line is. Maybe taking my own line is the best line, because these cars have gone over and compacted it maybe, and therefore made it slippery. Can you guys still see? I'm struggling to see. Wow. Like here, I think that might be the best line. Maybe I'm very wrong, but let's just take it easy. Oh my. Super easy. Keep the bike upright. Try not to lean. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.